This how to 1 minute will show you how to access cpanel in Godaddy. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to access your cpanel. First of all, open Godaddy website and make sure to log into your account. Click on your profile here and click on My Products. Then you will jump into your product page. Here, click on Web Hosting and you will get here your hosting. Now I want to access this hosting cpanel, so I'm clicking on Manage. Here, click on cpanel Admin and then you will jump into your cpanel, and from here you can easily control your domain, your website, your WordPress, your file manager. So this is how we can access cpanel in Godaddy. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.